Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, to subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. We all need to become that one. Can I be that one? For every man, the idea of accomplishing something great is heavily on their mind. Each man wants to be a success and bring something to society. The men around the world are hopeful that their efforts are making a difference and adding value to humanity. This is the idea that every man dreams to become that one. Young men come into the world with their eyes wide open and their hearts full of dreams. Their ambition are to one day become that one who can make a difference. Not knowing what, but with high energy, endless enthusiasm, and a deep desire to create something. The reality for these young men is that their energy, enthusiasm, and desires are not enough. They need to have a deep commitment to learn the skills, a large effort to become the change. I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Adult males that want to be that one often fall short of that mark. Some men feel that they are built with the ability to be that one. It's the farthest thing from the truth that anyone is born with or built to be that one. We all must learn the necessary skills to accomplish or create things that can make a change in the world. That is the first step towards your journey to becoming that one. Knowing that you need to learn what it takes, search for the information and specific techniques that can help you develop, create, and design your ideas is paramount. Every man must put in the time and effort needed to accomplish that goal. There are no shortcuts or getting rich quick methods to succeed. It takes hard work. Do the work to reap the benefits. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
To play with, molding a man takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability.